Did you know that your values and your beliefs are why your marriage is the way it is right now, whether good or whether bad? What many couples fail to understand is that values and beliefs are the operating system of your marriage, and a misalignment can turn a good marriage bad if not dealt with immediately. And an alignment can turn a bad marriage good when understood. And in this video, I will be talking about the H in my Hope Conquers Marriage Enrichment Signature System, healthy values and beliefs. And I will be sharing a little bit how alignment can help you get to another level in your marriage. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dr. Delroy of Hope Conquers Marriage Enrichment. I'm also the author of Conquering Distress for a Better Marriage, Transformation that Produces Lasting Change. And in this book, I go through in depth the system, the Hope Conquers system. And today, we will be dealing with healthy beliefs and values. And I must admit from the beginning that cultural similarities or backgrounds do not necessarily mean a husband and a wife will have similar values and beliefs. And I understand that because my wife and I have similar cultural backgrounds, but we had to work on aligning our values and beliefs. Now, values and beliefs are not the same, but they're related. What do I mean? Values refers to a set of ideas that guide you on how to evaluate right from wrong. Beliefs are those things that you can say are a set of doctrines or statements or experiences that you hold to be true. And what's critical and most important that you must understand that values and beliefs they shape how you think as a couple. They shape how you decide things as a couple. They shape how you communicate as a couple, how you handle conflict as a couple, how you pursue growth and purpose in the marriage, how you pursue your vision as a couple. And when your values and your beliefs align, whether you work at alignment intentionally or you start to understand the importance of values and beliefs, they can create stability. They can create more intimacy. They can create an environment of love and respect. And that is God's will for your marriage. So, how does this help when you start to understand the importance of values and beliefs in your marriage? Well, value allows you to create shared direction within your marriage. As an example, your values will answer the question, what matters most to us in the marriage? And your beliefs will answer the question, why do we live this way? The way that we live, whether it's beneficial to the marriage or whether it is a negativity towards the marriage, but that's what it does. So when couples can come to a place where they can share or respect each other's core values. And the core values are like faith. What do we believe? What do we value about our faith? As believers, we understand God is the one who would have created us, and God is the one who would have created the male and the female in his image. And if you value God's creation, then you will value your spouse the way God values his creation. And when everything was said and done, God said, it is good. That tells me your spouse is good. Type good in the comment section if you believe that. Because what I've come to realize is without shared values, couples often feel like they're pulling in different directions. Now, another benefit of values and beliefs, if you understand it, is that they provide a framework for decision making. Instead of arguing emotionally, couples can ask what aligns with our values, what honors our beliefs. And this move conflict from reaction to reflective, reducing impulses, reducing decisions that sometimes we would regret. When your values and your beliefs align, they strengthen trust and security in the marriage. When a spouse consistently acts according to the shared values, trust is deepened. Safety increases, emotional predictability grows, and you can create a level of emotional safety within the marriage. You don't just trust what they say, you trust who they are. And as a husband and as a wife who understands the core value of the marriage, you will quickly recognize if for some reason one person is acting out of character based on the values and beliefs that you share. This can help you to truly solve problems quicker in your marriage. And when it comes to solving problems, we know that an alignment in values and beliefs will shape how you argue, will shape how you forgive, will shape whether you pursue reconciliation or revenge. Oh, so many couples, sometimes it's amazing as I speak to so many couples that sometimes they strategically are looking for ways to avenge when we understand that when your values align, the goal is to come to a common understanding where forgiveness will be a part of it, where accountability will be a part of it, and also reconciliation will be a part of it. Couples with strong moral and spiritual beliefs often resolve conflicts with humility, with accountability, with grace, with a commitment to restoration. Instead of winning the argument, the goal becomes how can I protect this relationship? Are you getting this? Are you getting this? Are you getting this? Type getting this in the comment section if you're getting this. And when your values and your beliefs align, this is so important. They create emotional and spiritual intimacy. Shared beliefs, especially when they are based on your faith, deepens the emotional bonding that couples need to thrive in their marriage. It gives us a purpose driven connection, understanding that our purpose comes from the Lord. And brings a unity, a sense of unity beyond the regular attraction and convenience of being married. You're not just partners in life, you're partners with a deep sense of meaning and belonging. That's the marriage God intends for us. And most important, I believe when our values and our beliefs align, they anchor us and they anchor the marriage during crisis. Why? Because I've come to realize that sometimes when our emotions fluctuate because of the change in circumstances, sometimes our love can feel drained. It can feel strained. And because of that, when we have shared values and shared beliefs and they're healthy, it can prevent impulsive exits. The D word goes out the door. And when I say the D word, I mean divorce. Instead of just wanting to run, you would find ways to truly preserve what you have already built. It is so sad sometimes. After 10, 15, 20 years, couples are calling it quit. That is not God's will. Now, I understand I'm talking about couples who truly want to build on a healthy relationship. I'm not talking about abuses and domestic violence and all of that. That's a separate video that I'll have to do, and that is covered later down in the Hope Conquers Marriage Enrichment Signature System. But I'm talking about two couples a husband and a wife who, for the most part, are in a healthy relationship and have a desire to grow. That's whom I'm talking to in this particular video. And that is why I say when you have these shared values and beliefs, it anchors the marriage. Not only that, it comes a time if the couple decides that they will reproduce. Healthy beliefs and values shape how you parent and the legacy that you will leave. Not only that, the shared values will determine how you discipline your children, what behaviors you will model, and the things that you would like to pass down with them. If you are finding value in this video, I need you to like and I need you to share. Because in the end, we have to understand that beliefs gives marriage purpose. Values sustain the marriage. And when that is all said and done, you can indeed experience God's best in your marriage. And that's one of the reasons I want to invite you to our next live in-person event that's coming up, March the 7th, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Invest 3 hours of your time into your marriage and watch the return. This is our first Level Up Marriage Enrichment Workshop, where we are going to learn how to strategically level up our love, level up our communication, level up our thinking, and level up our attraction and commitment to each other as a husband and wife. And when you are able to understand that your values and your beliefs also need to be in alignment, when you are leveling up your marriage with the right values and the right belief system, your marriage will be the best example for your friends and your family. So I hope to see you there. Register now before all seats are taken. And I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video when I will talk about the Outlook on Marriage Vision from my signature Hope Conquers Marriage Enrichment System. Goodbye for now.